I'm going to show you how you can fix FiveM or GTA 5 textures not loading in. This usually happens because your graphical settings is too high, so I'm going to show you how you can fix this. First off, you have to press the start menu and then you have to go to settings. Now on settings, you want to go to graphics there. Now on graphics, you have to change a couple of things. First off, on VSync, make sure it's on. Now, once it's on, you want to turn down a couple of these settings here, right? So texture quality, turn it to normal. Shader quality, turn it to normal. Shadow quality, turn it to normal. Reflection quality, turn it to normal as also. Grass quality, turn it to normal as well. Now, after you've done these couple of things, it should load in more faster, right? If that doesn't work, then turn down all of the settings onto low, right? Or very low, even if you really need to do that. That is usually the issue. If you're using FiveM and these methods don't work, then that means your server is usually just overloaded and it just has too many people, and that's why this texture is not loading in. If that's the case, then there's nothing you can do about it and you'll just have to wait it out. Since it is a server side issue and not a client side issue, so you have no choice but to wait it out.